down, 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 okay? Down, down, two rows of crowd, down, 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 okay? Down, 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 up, down, down, down. Isabay niyo lang sa mga chords na gamitin natin. Yan ang string pattern, proceed tayo sa mga chords, guys. So, intro, eto ang intro, play ko muna. So, unang chord ay G, then D, C, sorry, C, and then D. Then, lagyan na natin kulay. D, sus, D, then open, then balik ng D. D, sus, D, open, D, sus 2, then balik ng D. Okay? Then, same pattern ulit, down, 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 up. So, play natin ang intro. G, down, down, C, down, then D.